So the next is how you should make prototypes. As the first line suggests here, create prototypes that feel like the real experience. Okay. So as we all know, we start with simply connecting the UI elements. Then we choose what kind of interactions is needed for a different kind of need. For example, usually in walkthrough screens and in some overlays, it requires some different kind of interaction, to make them, even better. Like, because the walkthroughs are something which you want user to, see at the first, and it should be good in, interactive way. It should be interactive, and there should be some cool animation which you want to see, which you want customers or your clients to see first. So yeah. Okay. And okay, experience your design in real life. So while using the prototype mode, it tells you are shaping your prototype, and that will be the outcome of your hard work. So as you design and as you prototype, you can just literally see everything in the prototype, what of all your hard work, whatever you're putting in your designs, so you can directly see that in the prototype. Okay. So use images, video, animated GIFs. So using appropriate images, videos, GIFs not only attract users' attention but also spark emotions and draws the users in. Because of this, if your product has appealing imagery, videos, and GIF, there is more chance of people viewing and clicking through it, right? So if you use a proper imagery, videos, and animated GIFs, trust me, it will do wonders, and it will give life to your design instantly. So use them accordingly and properly. Okay. So the next and my favorite is apply advanced transition are always a bonus in your design, and it makes your prototype even more realistic and interactive. If you are a very good designer, and if you have a lot of experience in design, don't be shy to use a good animations and transition in your design. It just literally gives the life to your design. Trust me, it just makes them more interactive and good to have. For example, the new apps which we currently see in the market, for example, Cred. So they are just doing wonders, right, with the animations. Okay. And obviously, who doesn't love the animation these days, right? Okay.